Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Salaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. If today is your first time here, welcome on board. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. Today, I'm going to give you tips on how to get visa exemption in Turkey. If this sounds interesting to you, please stick around. Tip I want to give you is for you to have a valid passport and a visa. You need to have either a US visa, a UK visa, or a Schengen visa to be eligible for an exemption to enter Turkey. Okay? The second tip I want to give you is to gather up your documents. Before you can proceed to immigration in Turkey, you need to have your documents ready. You need to have your onward return ticket. You need to have proof of funds, and you also need to be able to show proof of accommodation. When you arrive in Turkey, you proceed to immigration and give them your passport and your documents. Immigration will then scrutinize your documents. If you are qualified for visa exemption, if you meet up with the eligibility criteria, your passport will be stamped and you can enter Turkey. Okay? If this information is useful to you, please like the video and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.